Hi, my name is Stephanie Moreno, and I'm the Director of Community Partnerships here at the United Way, Fresno, Madera. So prior to Workforce Connection, I was the VP of Workforce Transformation and then at Bitwise Industries. And so once that went away, I sought out some support with the Workforce Connection and was fortunate enough to be connected with Garrett LeKay there as the crisis response team. And so I had the good fortune to be able to connect and be provided with the supports to seek out my next opportunity.
My name is Isabel Franco, and I am the Reemployment Specialist at the Fresno Regional Workforce Development Board. I lead recruitment efforts to identify and onboard former Bitwisers into the Workforce Connection program. I worked with Stephanie at Bitwise, and in my role here at the Workforce Connection, Stephanie's been a great resource in terms of connecting me to folks who are in need of services. She's well connected in the community and definitely deeply connected with the Bitwise community.
Being that I knew that there were going to be other fellow Bitwisers there, I wanted to be a friendly face and a welcoming face because I didn't know really kind of what that was going to look like. Once I was established and kind of working really well at my remote job, I had the good fortune of being sought out by a recruiter that saw that I was doing amazing things in the community. And then at the end of the call, he let me know that he was a recruiter and that he was looking for someone to be a part of community for the United Way Fresno Madera.
Stephanie has been a seamless fit for our team. One of the things that she really excels at is in building and maintaining partnerships. She's taken some grants and really moved things forward in the short time that she's been here and put us in a really great position to be successful moving forward. The relationships that she's continued to build really help us in being able to have better outreach, better relationships, and better visibility, not only with our partners, but more intentionally with the communities that we're serving.
I would definitely recommend Workforce Connection because I felt that in the times where I needed it most, that they were supportive and that they really saw me as human first, and they provided services to me based off of what I felt like I needed and not what they thought I should do.
Stephanie's always been working behind the scenes to help support my efforts in doing the job that I was hired to do. And so I'm just so thankful for her, and knowing that if she comes across someone who needs something, that she will point them in my direction.
She's very vibrant, she's very personable, and she creates space that is vibrant and matches her personality. So you'll see her in her bright pinks and her blues and her different hair colors. And it's fun to see the way that she expresses herself and does that in a way that's also professional and welcoming.
I would like to thank the Fresno Regional Workforce Development Board for this award. I'd also like to send an amazing thank you to Robert for my nomination. I really appreciate him helping me every step of the way, as well as Garrett and being that pillar of support for myself and my counterparts as well. And I'd like to thank Belle for continuing to connect folks and support them along the way to the next steps in their journey.